The month of June might have started out quite well for Shib, and if you watched yesterday's video, you'd understand what I'm talking about. However, things have taken an unfortunate turn for Shib. So if you are a Shib holder, you need to watch this entire video and start trying to decide what to do with your Shiba Inu investments. Disclaimer: as I just mentioned, June started out quite well for Shiba Inu. Lucy Shib, a very vocal Shiba Inu influencer, shared some updates on Twitter about Shiba Inu. According to her, the period where we're at right now is the calm before the storm, with the storm being a series of events that are both huge and beneficial to Shiba Inu and its holders. She mentioned a number of these events, all of which she says will soon happen. The first event is the Rocket Pod reveal. If you have been watching videos on this channel, you know that Rocket Pod is one of the hubs in the Shiba Inu metaverse, and the metaverse dev team has mentioned that they intend to reveal the pod soon. What's more, 3 other hubs, Wagmai Temple, Ryoshi, and Tech Trench, should all be revealed by or before September. Everyone hopes that these reveals would somehow boost the value of Shiba Inu. Aside from the metaverse, Lucy Shib also mentioned Shibarium, which is currently being tested. According to her, heavy work is being done on it right now, which is a good sign. Plus, let's not forget that the tests have been going well so far. More than 14 million transactions have been completed since the test started, and more than 1 million blocks have been created so far. So it looks like things are going well on that front. Something else that she mentioned, which is quite interesting, is that the Shiba Inu market is about to boom. According to her, market buzz suggests that the price of Shib will pump soon. And she even goes on to say that Shib's dreams are coming true soon. Whatever this means, Shib holders continue to hope that it happens soon because the price of Shib is still on a downward trend right now. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Unfortunately, this dream might be further than we want. Just recently, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, sued Binance and its CEO Changpeng Zhao, or CZ. Even without knowing what the suit is about, it is immediately obvious that this is not good news for the crypto market, probably especially Shiba Inu. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world, so whatever happens to it would have a ripple effect on the crypto market. According to Watcher Guru, the lawsuit follows previous legal action taken against the company by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Bloomberg initially reported the lawsuit, with the regulator accusing the exchange of mishandling customer funds. Additionally, the regulator accused the exchange of lying to both regulators and investors regarding its operations. I don't know about you, but this doesn't sound like good news at all. It sounds like CZ is basically being accused of defrauding Binance users. And if it turns out to be true, the whole Binance exchange could come crumbling down. Now, if this sounds familiar to you, it's probably because you watched yesterday's video where I talked about Elon Musk getting sued for insider trading and inflating the price of a token. In the case of Binance and CZ, the accusation is that the exchange has been lying to its customers about what it has been using their funds for and has been misusing and mismanaging its users' funds. What's worse, the suit says that billions of dollars in customer funds were sent to a separate company account owned by CZ himself. That's really incriminating if you ask me, but things get even worse. Apparently, up to 13 charges have been filed against Binance, and one of those charges has to do with CZ inflating prices, which is never a good thing. Ever since the issue with FTX, when it was made obvious that FTX had basically been unscrupulous with customer funds, the SEC has been more vigilant over crypto exchanges to prevent something like that from happening again. And that's how Binance was caught. According to Watcher Guru, the developing story follows previous rumors of a new CEO at the exchange. Nevertheless, the largest crypto exchange by trading volume has been under increasing pressure from regulatory agencies. Still, the Justice Department is currently observing the exchange for allegations of money laundering practices. Regardless of what kind of cryptocurrency you hold, what is happening with Binance right now is something that you want to pay attention to. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! Binance is the most influential crypto exchange in the world, and it has an influence on a lot of cryptocurrencies. So if the exchange is being investigated for what looks like to be something fraudulent, This could drop the trust that people have in the crypto market in general, and this trust has already been dwindling since the crypto market's performance got rocky in 2022. Specifically though, if you hold SHIB, you might want to start making some important decisions regarding your SHIB holdings. For one, SHIB is listed on Binance, and Binance has shown support for Shiba Inu for a while now, recently removing the token from its list of risky assets. So it could be bad for SHIB by association if it turns out that all the accusations leveled against Binance and CZ are true. More than that though, Binance is the biggest Shiba Inu holder in the world. Etherscan.io, the analytics platform that transacts Ethereum transactions and blocks, mentioned a while back that Binance holds about 83 trillion SHIB tokens, which is worth about $738 million. This was revealed at a time when crypto exchanges were basically being compelled to reveal how much they had in their reserves. So first off, Binance had made a number of SHIB purchases, adding them to its reserves. But according to Watcher Guru, Binance became the largest SHIB holder after the exchange made the highest bid of $1 billion to acquire bankrupt crypto firm Voyager Digital. Voyager Digital held assets worth around $579 million. The firm has a massive $81.7 million worth of Shiba Inu in its wallet, making it the third largest holding in terms of dollar value. At the time when this was revealed, it seemed like good news. Binance was not just the largest crypto exchange, it also seemed like the most trustworthy. It constantly came to the rescue of failing crypto projects and seemed to be quite open with its dealings. However, with the recent accusations having come to light, it doesn't look like Binance being the largest holder of SHIB is such a good idea anymore. If it turns out that the accusations are true, Binance might have to be shut down as a result. And if that happens, it would mean that all the SHIB tokens that Binance currently holds would be sent back into the market. For those who hold SHIB tokens in Binance, the court might compel Binance to pay back its customers. However, those tokens held by Binance would have nowhere else to go but back into the market. What this means is that we could be seeing about 83 trillion SHIB tokens go back into the market, and there is absolutely no way that this won't pull the price of SHIB further down. Remember that the price of SHIB is already struggling. It picked up a zero many weeks back and has not been able to shake it off since. If more tokens should enter the market, it might be the final blow for SHIB. What's more, the Shiba Inu community has been doing its best to burn as many SHIB tokens as possible, reducing the circulating amount of SHIB in the market in order to improve its price. Even the dev team has been committed to burns as well, making sure that every Shiba Inu project is fitted with a burn mechanism. If it turns out that Binance is guilty of fraud and has to be shut down, having all those tokens re-enter the market would only make all of these efforts wasted. So what do we do now? Well, what you do with your tokens is entirely up to you. You would have to do your own research and figure out what risk you're willing to take in order to decide whether or not to hold onto your SHIB tokens. But you could consider sharing your thoughts on this whole issue in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.